You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names, including from Italian. Stay tuned, loads to learn on this channel. So in English, this is generally said as Gianna, but really that's an Italian name. For reference, in Italian it's said as Gianna, Gianna. So the English pronunciation is not too far. Gianna, Gianna is how you pronounce it. In English, from Italian, Gianna. More videos for you to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support and make sure to check a few of those. Too many mispronunciations out there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.